Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. So the other day I put up a poll to see what you guys wanted to see next, if it was a DIY video or a cleaning video, and 92% of you said another DIY and you wanted it to be farmhouse style. So here's another one for you. I hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to start off with the faux wood candle holder. So for that, all you're going to need is a glass bowl from the Dollar Tree, a metal bowl, and an LED candle from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to take our trusty old chalk paint in white, and we're going to put 2 coats of that, and I sped through it because you've seen me do that a million times. And then we're going to take some Rust-Oleum wood stain. I chose dark walnut. And then all you need is an old sock and just start rubbing it on the bowl. Of course, this is after the chalk paint dries. And then just get a good amount on there and then start rubbing it in. And then you want to get the excess off. You don't want it to be heavy in any of the spots. And then after that dries, it should look like this, kind of like a wood texture. And then we're going to take the glass bowl and a little bit of E6000 glue. And like normal, we're going to use E6000 and hot glue so that the hot glue will hold it for now and the E6000 can dry. Usually it takes about 24 hours. So don't be handling it too rough. And for this, I thought I would show you a few different ways that you could style it. I just put the plain candle in from the Dollar Tree, and if you like that, that's great. This marble plate is also from the Dollar Tree. It's plastic. It's like a charger. And then I just put in an old Bath & Body Works candle that I had. Looks pretty sad. And then this is another way we can style it. I just took some twine and wrapped it around just to give it a little bit of texture. And then we're going to put a little bit at the bottom as well. You just secure that with hot glue. And then I had some of these old rocks from the Dollar Tree. They're silver, if you like that look. I thought that was kind of pretty. If you want something a little bit shiny in there. Or you can stick in some fake greenery. And that's what it looks like with the greenery in there. And I'll show you a couple other ways to style it at the end of the video. But we're going to move on to the pillow. And for this, I got these 2, I guess, fabric squares from Walmart, and it's the Waverly brand. And they're 18 inches by 21 inches, and they were 97 cents a piece, so cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And I got 2 of them. And I already had this pillow form on hand, and this is 14 by 14. So you're just going to start off by ironing your fabric. And then kind of just, I put the pillow on there to see how big I wanted the fabric to end up. Now this is a technique that I saw online, and so this is going to be new to me as well. And I'll kind of let you know how I like it at the end. I've never used hot glue to secure the fabric, but I thought I saw this technique on, I think it was Pinterest. So with the 14 by 14 pillow insert, I'm going to, in the end, cut down my fabric and fold in the edges. And the final size, I want it to be 16 by 16. So you're going to want to fold in your edges, and I secured them a little bit with hot glue just because you want them to look nice and flat, and then iron them down. And then having the fabric facing the inside up, so the side that you don't want showing, you want that to face up. And then you're going to want to attach the ends with hot glue and just run a good amount. Not too much because you don't want it to like squish out the other side. And then after you've put the hot glue on and you push the top piece down, make sure you kind of like squish it flat because you don't want beads of hot glue. You don't want to feel that through the fabric. So you're going to want to lay the fabric flat now that you have the two pieces attached at the end. And then you're going to want to fold the top over and to meet the bottom, and you're going to glue that. Then you turn it inside out or right side out because you're going to want to just check all of the seams and make sure they're flat and that they look good. And I went ahead and made either side not match. Like I didn't want to try and line up the lines, so I turned one way and turned one the other, just because I knew they wouldn't be perfect and that would drive me even more crazy. So then you just put in your pillow. You can do the ends however you want. I know there's better ways to do this, but I've never done this before, so I'm just experimenting. So I'm just going to kind of fold it in like I would like when I wrap a present. And then I'm just going to glue down the edges. And again, you're going to want to go along the edge and make sure there aren't any loose pieces or openings. And I did that on both ends, and I think it turned out pretty good for being hot glued. So here's the end result. I think it turned out really cute, and it was really simple. And I think this is probably a good option if you're one that likes to change out your pillow covers often, because you can just, I think it's probably going to be somewhat easy to pull it apart. It's not going to just fall apart on you, but if you want to change them out, you could just open up one end, pull out the pillow insert, and then put a different one on that you make. And for each piece of fabric being 97 cents, I think that's a steal. And then here's the faux wood candle holder. And I just thought I would put in some of the lamb's ear and lavender. And I put the Dollar Tree candle back in because I thought that was kind of pretty. So let me know what you guys think of both of these projects. Like I said, they were both kind of new to me. I'd never done these techniques, so I thought I would do them right along with you guys. And I'm pretty impressed with the hot glue no-sew pillowcase. I think that one turned out to be my favorite, although I like the faux wood candle holder too. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to chit-chat with you guys in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, and I also have a video coming out Friday that I'm really excited for, and my husband's going to be in it with me as well. So keep a lookout for that one.